Ever wonder why magnetic poles can never be separated? It's like trying to split a coin into heads and tails. When you cut a magnet, you don't get a north and a south pole. Instead, each piece becomes a new magnet with its own poles. It's a fundamental property of magnets, like a cosmic rule. That's because magnetism isn't like electricity, where positive and negative charges can exist separately. Magnetic poles always come in pairs. At the atomic level, magnetism is caused by the movement and spin of electrons. In materials like iron, the magnetic fields of many atoms line up in the same direction, forming what's called a magnetic domain. When lots of these domains align, the whole object becomes magnetized, with a north and a south pole at opposite ends. But here's the catch. Those poles are not physical things you can slice off. They're the result of how the magnetic field flows through the object. Now, this is where it gets even more interesting. If you slice a magnet in half, you're not breaking apart the poles. You're just making two smaller magnets. Each new magnet instantly forms its own north and south pole, because the magnetic field always loops around. You can try cutting it again and again, but you'll never isolate a single magnetic pole. Scientists have looked for something called a magnetic monopole, a particle with only one magnetic charge. And while some theories say they might exist, we've never actually found one in nature. So for now, based on everything we know, magnetic poles are inseparable. It's just how the physics of magnetic fields works. They always come in pairs. And that's why no matter how hard you try, you'll never get just a north pole or just a south pole on its own. It's a magnetic mystery that keeps scientists intrigued. And that's why magnets are endlessly fascinating. Pretty wild, right? You can snap a magnet in half 100 times and you'll still get two poles every time. Science is full of surprises. Yet like if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe.